Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the topic program structures. In this program structures we take the sample program in Java. That sample program is package SCT, public class hello world, open braces, comment section, public static void main, and strings and arguments, system.out.println and close braces. First, package. Package is used to organize the classes based on functionality. Next one, public. This is the access modifier keyword which tells compiler access to class. Various values of access specifiers can be present. Those are public, protected, and private. Next one is class. This is used as a keyword to declare the class name of a given class or taking a class. Next one is comment section. We discuss about two comments, line comment and block comment. First one is line comment. In this line comment we use the hash to double hash. This does not require any ending symbol and this can be used in a single line only. Next one, block comments. We use hash star and end with star hash. This can extend across many lines. Next one, static. Static is a reserved keyword which means that a method is accessible and usable even though no objects of the class exist. Next one is void. Void means nothing will be returned. Next one, main function. Next one, string array as argument. Next one, system.println. System means name of the Java utility class. Out means object to the system class. Println means it is used to print a string hello world from Java. Next one, installation of JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. To install the JDK software, we have to set the JDK and first we have to install the JDK software. To install JDK software and set Java Home on a Windows system, first we have to install the JDK software and then go to the link which was java.sun.com JavaSC downloads index.jsp. Next one, select the appropriate JDK software and click download. Here the JDK installation will be completed. Next we have to set the Java Home. To set the Java Home, we have to take the right click on my computer and select properties. On the advanced tab, select environment variables and then edit Java Home to point where the JDK software is located. For example, C program files Java JDK 1.6002. We use interpreter and JIT compiler to run the programs in JVM. JDK is the heart of the JVM. We use a interpreter and JIT compiler to run and execute the programs. JIT compiler is used for the fastness. JIT means just-in-time compiler. Next, variables in Java. Java variables. Variable is a name desired to allocate in memory. Example, int data equal to 50. We given a name data to the given value 50. There are three types of variables: local variable, instance variable, static variable. Variable declared inside the method is called local variable. Variable declared inside the class but outside the method is instance variable. Next one is static variable. A variable declared as static means we use static keyword to declare this variable is called static variable. Next, let us take an example. Class A int data equal to 50, static int m equal to 100, void method int n equal to 90. In this, inside the method int n equal to 90 is taken, means this is a local variable. And next, instance variable means inside the class. Here inside the class A we are taking the variable and outside the method we are taking this. So this is the instance variable. And static variable, here the static variable means we use static keyword. And the next topic is data types. Data types are used for representing the data in the main memory and of the computer. There are two types of data types, primitive and non-primitive. In this primitive, the memory will be occupied, means memory will be occupied and this will be fixed. Next one, non-primitive. In non-primitive, we will decide how much memory will be taken. Primitive data types examples are integral and boolean. Non-primitive data types examples are arrays, stacks, etc. Next one, let us see the diagram. Here the data types are divided into two types, primitive, non-primitive. In primitive we are using two types, boolean, integral. In integral we have floating point and integer. In floating point we have float and double. In integer we have int and char. In int we have shortened, int and long. Here the float takes the 4 bytes and double take the 8 bits. And here the char takes 4 bits. In short,